Welcome to a comprehensive guide on JavaScript string methods. In this video, we will explore the built-in string manipulation methods that are essential for modern web development. These methods allow you to perform a wide variety of operations on strings, such as modifying their content, extracting portions, and searching for substrings. Let's dive into the world of JavaScript strings. Let's explore the string searching methods in JavaScript. These methods are used to find and locate substrings within a string. The index of method returns the position of the first occurrence of a substring in a string. Similarly, last index of returns the position of the last occurrence. If the substring is not found, both of these methods return -1. The includes method checks whether a string contains a specific substring, and it returns true or false. Lastly, the search method searches a string for a specified value or regular expression, and returns the position of the match. Now let's understand string extraction methods. These methods are used to extract portions of a string. The slice method extracts a section of a string, and returns a new string without modifying the original one. It takes two optional parameters, the start index and the end index. The substring method is similar to slice, but it cannot accept negative indexes, and if the start index is greater than the end index, it will swap the arguments. Lastly, the substrate method extracts parts of a string, beginning at a specified position and extending for a given length. However, it is now considered a deprecated method. Next, we have the string replacement methods, which are used to find and replace content within strings. The replace method replaces the first occurrence of a pattern with a specified replacement. It can use a simple string or a regular expression as a pattern. Additionally, it can also take a function as a second argument for more complex replacements. The replace all method replaces all occurrences of a pattern with a specified replacement, and it also supports regular expressions. Note that, when using replace all with regular expressions, you need to include the global flag, which is denoted by a /G. Now let's learn about case modification methods, which are used to change the case of a string. The to_lowercase method converts a string to lowercase, and the to_uppercase method converts it to uppercase. These methods work well for standard ASCII characters. For locale-sensitive case conversion, which correctly handles special characters, we have to locale lowercase and to locale uppercase. These methods take an optional locale parameter, which allows us to specify the language for case conversion. Remember to use the locale-sensitive methods when you are dealing with international text or special characters. Next up are the string trim methods, which are used to remove whitespace from strings. The trim method removes whitespace from both the beginning and end of a string. The trim start method removes whitespace from only the beginning of the string. Similarly, the trim end method removes whitespace from only the end of the string. These methods are quite useful for cleaning user input and ensuring consistent string formatting. Let's explore the string padding methods, which are used to add padding to strings. The pad start method pads the start of a string with a given string until the resulting string reaches the specified length. The pad end method pads the end of the string with a given string until the resulting string reaches the specified length. These methods are very useful for formatting data, especially when dealing with numbers or aligning strings. Now we will cover string comparison methods. These methods are used to compare and check the content of strings. The locale compare method compares two strings in the current locale and returns -1, 0, or 1 based on whether the first string is less than equal to, or greater than the second. The starts with method checks whether a string begins with the characters of a specified string, and returns a Boolean value. Similarly, the ends with method checks whether a string ends with a specified string and returns a Boolean value. The locale compare method is particularly useful for sorting strings in different languages. Let's explore string conversion methods, which are used to convert strings to other data types and back. The split method splits a string into an array of substrings based on a specified separator. The toString method returns the string representation of a specified object. For string objects, it returns the primitive string value. The value of method returns the primitive value of a string object. It is rarely used directly, but it is important for type conversions. The split method is commonly used for parsing comma-separated values, or CSV, data and various other string manipulations. Finally, let's discuss regular expression methods. These methods are used for pattern matching and searching using regular expressions. The match method returns an array of matches based on a regular expression pattern. The match all method returns an iterator of all matches based on a regular expression pattern. These methods allow for complex pattern matching in strings. Also, various regular expression flags are available, such as G for global match, I for case-insensitive match, and M for multi-line match. Use match all when you need to capture all groups in global matches. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.